Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this simple, healthy vermicelli soup. This is one person portion. I use 200 gram chicken breast. Slice the chicken breast first. Marinate the chicken breast with salt, white pepper, and garlic powder. I don't use cooking wine anymore, but if you like cooking wine, you can put some cooking wine in. This is Napa Cabbage. It is one of the popular Chinese cabbages. I use 4 pieces of this cabbage. Let's go through other ingredients while I'm cooking. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put 1 clove of minced garlic into the oil. Put the chicken breast in. Slightly stir until the skin turns white. Then put the cabbage in. This is Enoki Mushroom. I use about 50 grams of this Enoki Mushroom. I also use 2 pieces of fresh Shiitake Mushroom. Add the water in to just cover all the ingredients. If you like to have more soup, you can add more water. Some salt. Put the lid on and then cook for 3 minutes after it is boiled. Now turn the heat to low. Put the vermicelli in. Taste the soup. You can add more salt if you want. Turn the heat back to high. Put some white pepper in. Rearrange all the ingredients until it looks nice. Cook for about another 2 minutes until the vermicelli is soft. Then this soup is done. I hope you will like this soup. Thanks for watching. Bye!